My name is Anthony Hamilton Russell. I'm the second generation owner of Hamilton Russell Vineyards along with my wife Olive. We, like many New World producers, began life making several different wines. I think when I took over in '91 we were making 11 wines from 8 grape varieties and purchasing grapes. And we made the decision in the very early days to focus on just what we did best. And our terroir had decided that that was Pinot Noir and Chardonnay. Wine style, we were able to determine the 52 hectares of this 170 hectare property that really account for Hamilton Russellness in the wine. And I think we have demonstrated to the country that if it's the best Pinots you want, this is probably the go-to area for the best Pinot in the country. Some wonderful wines are made in Stellenbosch, of course in Elgin, but this is where we have depth of quality and breadth of quality as well. Well, again, looking at the way the wine world was behaving and reading into the long term, it became increasingly clear to me that if you're not organic or highly sustainable or behaving in that way, you're going to lose the consumer of tomorrow. And we just believe, I mean, the wildlife on the farm has improved dramatically. The diversity in our soils of fungi and microorganisms has increased. We measure these things dramatically, not just the absolute quantity, but the diversity of the different species. I just realized that it's really about the long term that matters, and engaging those really high-end consumers that have a genuine deep interest in subtle differences that are site and soil and appellation driven rather than just countrywide and grape variety driven.